Hello friends, welcome to our channel Maths Wala Suraj Mato, and today we have brought another video for you. As you know, we have started with Okta tutorial playlist in which we have covered many things such as how can you create applications, how can you integrate with different applications as that we have used Salesforce in which Okta was identity provider and Salesforce was service provider. We have integrated using both the protocols such as OIDC and SAML. So in this video, we are going to treat Okta as service provider and we are going to integrate it with ping identity, in which ping identity will be identity provider, and we are going to use OIDC protocol for that. In short, if I explain you, we will have Okta's login page in which we have option of login with ping identity. We'll click on that. After that, ping login page will open. We need to enter credential of the ping, and once we have entered the credential of ping, we will successfully login into Okta. So first we will see how can we configure it, and then I will show you the demo of it. So let's start. So you first need to log in into Ping, and once you have logged in there, you need to click on application, and once you click that, I click here, and page is loading here, and we have got the application section. So once you got that, you need to click on plus icon. So once you click on plus icon, this page will open. We need to enter the application name. I'm giving it as Okta OIDC, and we'll give description as same. You can give whatever description or name you want to give. Icon is not mandatory. Even if you don't upload it, it will be okay for it. And after that, once after uploading of it, we'll click on save button. No, you just need to select the protocol. So I have selected here OIDC web app. Click on save button, and we have got all the info such as client ID, client secret that we are going to use in Okta. So after that, what we'll do, we'll log in into Okta and we'll go to security, and in that we'll go to identity provider. So in security, we'll go to identity provider. For whatever external IDP you want to configure, you can configure through here only. So once the page is load, we'll click on add identity provider, and after clicking on it, this page will open in which we need to select application. So I will select OIDC application. We'll found where is it. So we'll scroll right, and as you can see, OpenID Connect. So we'll select that, and after that we'll click on next button. So once we click on finish button, so this page will be open in which we need to do all the configurations with the help of Ping. So we'll go to we have copied client ID and we need to paste it here. So we have pasted it here, and then we will copy client secret, and now that will be pasted in Okta. Okay. So once done that, we need to configure all these URLs that we get from Ping metadata, or if here we have directly option of copying it, so we'll copy here. And one thing is that, like, if you don't have any option of like this to copy, then you can use metadata like well-known URL for that. Okay, that I have already explained you in Salesforce video. So we'll copy and paste authorization endpoint. After that, we'll copy token endpoint, and that will paste in Okta, and after that we'll copy JWKS endpoint. Again, that I will copy and will paste here, and after that user info endpoint, again that I will copy and will paste here. So once this is done, we need to do some configurations below. So I'm not allowing JIT, means user should be exist at both the end, and I'm clicking on enable automatic linking, means even if the email is mapped there, it will user will login, and I need to give the name. So I'm giving it as ping identity, and we'll click on save button. We'll click on finish button here. So it will ask for code as Okta verification is enabled for whenever you are going to integrate any external IDP, it will ask you for my Okta verification code. So we'll enter that, and I need to enter my password again, and Now we'll click on verify button. So our authentication has been completed and our external IDP configuration is saved. Now we'll go to ping, and also we need to configure one thing here, that is redirect URI, that we will copy from Okta and we'll paste on ping. So we will copy redirect URI from here Okta and we'll go to ping and we'll click on OIDC application, and after that I will click on configuration and we'll go scroll below and we'll check whether where it is. Yeah, here it is redirect URL. So we'll paste here and we'll click on save button. So our configuration is done. We are good to go for the testing of it, that is demo of it. One thing is also there, I think we need to map uh, attribute here. Yes, as we are going to integrate with email here, so we'll select email in custom attribute. And actually for many identity provider we don't need to configure email separately, but for ping we need to do, then only it send email. That's why I'm configuring here in user attribute section, and I will click on save button. So after clicking on save button, now we'll go and check. So we are good to go here, and what we'll do, one thing is there, like I want option of uh, ping on my login page of Okta. For that, we need to create routing rules. So we'll click on add routing rules. And here I need to select application. So by default, Okta is selected, means Okta login user credentials by default will be there. And we need to select one application that I'm going want to show on the login page. So we'll click on here, and as I have option of ping identity, we'll select that and we click to save it. But we have got some error, I think. So I haven't given the rule name, so I'm simply giving it as login. Uh, so now I will try to save it, create rule. Yeah, rule is created and we also need to activate it. So I have activated, means now on Okta login page, as you can see, we have option of sign in with ping identity. So we'll click on that, and once we click on that, it took us to login page of ping. So we need to enter credential of ping. We have entered username here. Now I'm entering my password here, and after that we'll click on sign on. And no, we have got some error, access forbidden. Mm, I think we need to check from the report system log in Okta. I'm trying it again one time. Still it failing. So we'll check the. One of the benefit of Okta is that I have tell you in beginning only, that we have all the tracking of all the activities. So we'll click on report. In report section, we'll go to system log, and as you can see, we have failure message here. Unable to retrieve access token from the identity provider. Means Okta was unable to get access token from ping. What may be the reason, that we need to check from ping also. In ping also we have option of like log. You can do in monitoring section. So what we'll do, we'll go to ping. Also one time we what we'll do, like we will check all the configurations is proper or not in identity provider. So I've expanded it and we'll click on edit, and after that we have click on edit, and after that, yeah, everything is fine. Scopes are there, and secret is there, and ID is there. All the URLs are also fine. I think we need to check in ping now. Okay, so we have gone to ping, and in that you need to go to audit in monitoring system, and we'll check if any failure message is there. It is loading. So there aren't any failure message. Means what we'll do, we'll check configuration once now. Let's see, we can find something there. So I click on application, loading. Yeah, we click on Okta OIDC, and now we'll go to configuration section, and we'll check response type is code, that is fine. Authorization code, that is also right. Redirect URI, I configured it. Yeah, here client secret basic. I will select post and let's see what is going to happen. Will it work or not? So now we'll try to log in Okta using ping. So I have entered the login URL of Okta and is loading, and we have got login page of Okta. We'll click on sign in with ping identity, and after that ping login page will open, and there I need to enter my credentials. So ping login page is open here. I have entered my credentials, and now yeah, we are successfully logging into Okta. I just need to enter the my verification code here as MFA is enabled. So we'll please enter that and we'll click on verify. And as you can see, I have entered into Okta successfully using ping, and we can also view like report section where now it will show success message instead of error. So we'll go to report. In that we'll go to system log, and as you can see, yeah, user accessing Okta admin app success. So we have successfully integrated Okta and Ping, in which Okta was service provider and Ping was identity provider. So I hope this video help you to integrate at your organizations also and help you into configuration. How can you resolve error? How can you view a system report, system log, and act accordingly? And if this video helped you, then please do like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching this video.